Have you ever tried combining multiple iPhone videos into a single one on iPhone? Well, Apple doesn't provide you a direct way to combine multiple iPhone videos into a single one, at least for now. But there is a workaround, and that's something we are going to learn in this video. Hello everyone, Rahul here from TechReviewPro and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to combine multiple iPhone videos into a single one completely free. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to combine multiple iPhone videos into a single one on iPhone, you will need at least a video editor app. If you go to App Store, you will find various video editor apps available and you can use any of them. But I would recommend you to go with iMovie because that's free and comes already pre-installed on your iPhone. If you don't see iMovie on your iPhone, chances are you might have already deleted it. So simply go to App Store and search for iMovie. And there you will be able to download and install iMovie app on your iPhone. And once you have installed it, simply tap open to open the iMovie app. Now before I show you how to combine multiple iPhone videos into a single one using iMovie on iPhone, first let me tell you about some basic overview of iMovie app in case you are a complete beginner and have never used iMovie before. So this is the basic interface of iMovie app that you will see when you will open the app. Here you get the various options to start a new project, but we are not concerned with these two options. Instead, we are concerned with this option that says movie. We are basically going to create a movie project, and in that we will add multiple videos into a single one. For that, let's select movie, and when you will tap on movie, it will show you all the media files available into your iPhone camera roll. So you simply need to scroll and select the videos that you want to combine together into a single video. I'll simply scroll down and select the video that I want to combine together. I want to combine these two videos, so I'll simply select these two. And by the way, if you want to combine more than two, you may do that as well. Simply select as many videos as you want to combine into a single video. And once selected, simply tap create movie option that shows here, and this will open the video editing interface. Here this area is called video timeline, and here you can see here is the first clip and then there is the second clip combined together with a transition. If you want, you may keep the transition. Simply tap play to see how it shows. If you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, you may remove that as well. Simply tap on that and then tap none. You may simply scrub through like this and preview the video before export. Here's the play button that you can tap to play the video and see the preview. If you are happy with your editing and ready to export the video, you may simply tap done and the video would be ready for export. Now you can rename it here to give it any name like combined multiple iPhone videos into a single one and tap done. And finally we are ready to export the video. And by the way, this is very crucial so that you may export the edited video to be saved in your iPhone camera roll so that you may share it with anyone. So for exporting the video, simply tap the share button here, and from these various options available, tap save video, and this will start exporting the iPhone video. And once exported, you will see this success message. Tap OK, and now simply go to Photos app, and there you will see the video that was exported just now. So this is how you can combine multiple iPhone videos into a single one using iMovie on iPhone. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add background music to your iPhone videos, make sure you watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.